Why is the Iran conflict heating up with UAE drone strike and Hormuz insurance? 2026. Why is the Iran conflict heating up with a drone strike on a UAE nuclear site and Iran launching Hormuz insurance? The region faces rising tensions that could disrupt global energy markets and security. On May 18, 2026, a drone struck a nuclear facility in the United Arab Emirates. This attack marks a significant escalation in tensions between Iran and Gulf countries. While no casualties were immediately reported, the strike raised alarms about the safety of critical infrastructure in a volatile region. The UAE's nuclear program is essential for its energy diversification, and any disruption threatens regional stability and global energy markets. In response to increasing regional tensions and threats to shipping routes, Iran has launched a new insurance product called Hormuz Insurance. This coverage aims to insure vessels passing through the Strait of Hormuz, a vital choke point for global oil shipments. By creating this specialized insurance, Iran seeks to assert control and influence over maritime security and the energy supply chain. This move also signals Iran's intent to capitalize economically amid rising conflict risks. The Strait of Hormuz is a crucial waterway through which roughly 20% of the world's oil passes. With the drone attack and Iran's new insurance scheme, the risk of disruption to this key transit route has spiked. Any conflict or blockades here could sharply increase oil prices and destabilize energy markets worldwide. Countries dependent on Gulf oil must closely monitor these developments as supply chains grow more vulnerable. The drone strike on the UAE's nuclear site and Iran's launch of Hormuz insurance deepen mistrust among Gulf nations. This escalation could prompt military responses or increased foreign involvement, raising the stakes for regional peace. The risk of a broader conflict grows as alliances tighten and security measures intensify. The situation remains fluid and demands international attention to prevent further escalation. The next days and weeks will reveal how the UAE and Iran respond diplomatically or militarily to this incident. Watch for statements from Gulf cooperation, Council countries, and global powers involved in Middle East security. Energy markets will also react to any signs of disruption or escalation. Staying informed is crucial, as this conflict could impact fuel prices, security protocols, and geopolitical alliances worldwide. What this means for you is that energy prices and global security could be affected if tensions escalate further. If you rely on fuel or investments linked to the Middle East, stay alert to news from this volatile region. Subscribe now to Daily Q&A for timely updates on this developing story and what it means for your world.